Yes, Sasika students. So today let's do some sums on dimensional analysis. First sum, there's a tuning fork. This is prong of tuning fork. The period of vibration of the tuning fork depends upon length of the prong, density rho, and Young's modulus of the material of the tuning fork. Did use the expression for the period of vibration T, period of vibration using dimensional analysis. So students, can anyone guide me how we can do? So period of vibration is basically T. Okay? So T depends upon L, rho, and Young's modulus. So can anyone tell me the first step? Yes,
T is equal to K into L rho and
L rho Young's modulus. So here we will imagine, we don't know that how, what kind of relation time period has with length, density and Young's modulus. We don't know. So we will assume the dimensions of length to be A, dimension of density to be B, and dimension of Young's modulus to be C, right? So we can successfully say that T is equal to K, that's a dimensionless constant of proportionality. L rho Young's modulus y, right, to the power a, b, c. So this is the final formula. Only thing we need to find is the values of a, b, and c. Am I right? Okay. So guys, what we will do, we will equate the dimensions on both sides. Equating dimensions of different quantities of different entities on both sides. So first we will, before equating, we have to write down the expressions. So may I ask Ishma, what is the dimensions of time period, period of vibration or time period? Yes.
T1,
Just asking you, what is the dimensions of t? T is time. So, okay, oh, you said T1. So we can say M raised to power 0, L raised to power 0, T raised to power 5. Because it's time period. So time period unit is second. Now this would be, now I need not put the square bracket first. This is also I want to tell you, I need not put the square bracket, right? I'll just put normal bracket. Okay, when I write the final dimension, then I will put the square bracket, right? So this is K. K doesn't have any dimensions. So what is the dimension of L? Jasmine, first.
8.
What? L is? It's a length. So it will be,
Length
yeah, so it will be
L1.
M raised to power 0, L1 and T raised to power 0. Simply put simple brackets here. You can also write simply L also, right? And what is this density? Yeah, Arjinder, you tell what is the dimensions of density? M0, L, L2. No, you are wrong. So density is anyone? Mass by volume. So what is the unit of mass? Mass is M and unit is L cube. So ML minus 3. Okay, students, please respond. So it will be mass by volume M, right? M L minus 3. Am I right? Into Young's modulus. Anybody know what is the unit of Young's modulus? Yes, Amitoj, Ishma, or Jasmine. What is the unit of Young's modulus? So Young's modulus is again stress by strain. Stress by strain. So see that Ishma, strain doesn't have any units. What is the unit of stress? Stress, pressure have same unit. So that's force by area. So force by area. So what it will be? ML minus 1
L minus 1, T minus 2.
minus 2. Jasmine, very good. I will write here ML minus 1 T minus 2. Right. Now I've done one mistake. L raised to power A. So here you should write this is unit of L raised to power A. This is density raised to power B. This is Young's modulus raised to power C. Okay. So I will simplify this using the formula A raised to power A raised to power, yes, please come. A raised to power B into A raised to power Q into A raised to power R will be equal to, yes, once again, Mansumrit will say, Mansumrit, A raised to power B into A raised to power Q into A raised to power R will be equal to A raised to power P plus Q plus R. Good. Good. So simply, so what will be the power of M, you students? What is the power of M? So when A will be multiplied by 0, it will be 0, right? So when B will be multiplied by 1, it will be B. When C will be multiplied by 1, it will be plus C, right? Into, yes, Ishma, can you say what are the dimensions of L?
A minus 3B minus C.
Minus perfectly. Okay. And Arjinder, you please tell the dimensions of T time. No, y minus 1, a will be multiplied by 0 will be 0. Here there is no t. Here,
0 plus B
yeah, good. 0, 0 plus.
plus B.
No, there is no b here. Why?
0.
There is no b here. So 0 minus 2,
Yes,
right?
minus 2C.
So this can be written as m raised to power, this simple mathematics, b plus c, L raised to power a minus 3b minus c, and t raised to power minus 2c. So when I equate dimensions of different entities, when I equate the dimensions of mass, what is the equation I will get, Ishma? What is the on the left side? What is the dimensions of m?
0 is equal to B plus C.
Is equal to b plus c. Okay, Amitoj, what is the second equation? So it will be 0 L
0 is equal to
A minus
A minus
BB,
3B
right?
minus C.
And Jinder, third equation, please tell. 1 is equal to minus 2c. Correct. So we have equated time, right? So from this, I will get the value for c is equal to minus 1 by 2. So I know that now this thing c means Young's modulus will come in under root and it will come in the reciprocal because it is minus. So put the value for c here. So I can write see from here I will get b is equal to minus c. So I can put this is equal to 0 is equal to a plus 3c minus c. Am I right? When I put b is equal to minus c, I got plus 3c. So this is equal to a plus 2c. Am I right, students? So a is equal to minus 2c. Am I right? From here, a is equal to minus 2c. So this is equal to minus 2 into what is c? Minus 1 by 2. So a is equal to, yes, Ishma? A is equal to,
1.
good, good girl. So I got, so what will be B? Jasmine? B will be, come on, Jasmine. See,
Yes, sir.
come on, what is the value for B? See, beta, B
B
is
is equal to
minus,
minus C.
yeah, so minus, C is minus 1 by 2. So B will be minus,
Minus 1 by 2.
no, B will be minus of minus 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 2, right?
1 by
So B is 1 by 2, A is 1, C is minus 1 by 2. So I got the formula. So T will be equal to, come on students, can you tell the formula? Anyone can tell?
KL into under root rho by Young's mod.
L raised to power A. What is A? 1. Rho density raised to power B. B is 1 by 2. And Young's modulus raised to power C. C is minus 1 by 2. So I can say T is equal to K L. What is 1 by 2 will get under root. What is minus 1 by 2 will also get under root, but it will go down. So it will be rho divided by Young's modulus under root. This is the formula. See that without doing any experiments, mathematics is so strong, it's able to derive the formula. So the formula is correct. The answer is given here. KL. He has taken density as D by Y, or we have taken rho by Y. Very good, students. Very nice. Everyone has understood? Any doubt? Students, any doubt or any loud? Okay. So let's do one more question. Okay. He says this is a U-tube. This is known as U-tube. U-tube manometer is made uniform cross section. This is the cross section of U-tube. U-tube. So uniform cross section contains mercury. It contains mercury. Anybody knows what is the density of mercury? 13,600 kilogram per meter cube. Anyway, it's not needed here. It says contains mercury up to height h, height in either limb. Now, this is the height of mercury. So maybe the pressure on both the limbs is same. So obviously then the height of mercury will be same. The mercury in one limb is depressed a little. Means this limb, this is depressed a little. When it is depressed, when the pressure here will, can anyone student say whether the pressure will decrease or increase so that the mercury will go down? Come on, students. If in a U-tube, the mercury is same in both the, this is a glass U-tube, okay? So this mercury in this, here all mercury is there. So when the mercury will go down, when pressure, let's say this is the pipe, sorry, let's say this is the pipe, and when the pressure at this point will be decreased or increased, so that the level of mercury will go down, the pressure should be decreased or increased or increased. When the mercury will go down, the pressure will be increased, then only it will go down. If it is so, if it is going down, here it will go, the same amount will go up. Okay, fine. So guys, what's happening, it's depressed a little and then released. It's depressed and released. Okay, obtain expression for time period of oscillation. Time period of oscillation. So time period of oscillation. Assume that T depends upon what? H, rho, and H, rho, and G. Very simple. H, rho, and G, density of the mercury. Okay. So how can we do it? So first step, we will assume time, time period of oscillation is proportional to H raised to power. Come on, Jasmine. We will give H raised to power A, rho raised to power B, and G raised to power C. Okay, that's good. So now we are assuming that time period depends upon all the three factors. See, after we get the relation, we may get that time period does not depend upon one of the factors, right? So, okay, how we will do it? Now we will convert this equation into T is equal to, as Ishma had said last time, we will introduce constant of proportionality, H raised to power A, rho raised to power B, and G raised to power C. Am I right, students? This is the final equation. but we don't know the values of A, B, and C. We don't know the value. We will find out. Okay. Who will tell me the first step? Who will tell me the first step?
We'll put h as L raised to power A.
Okay. Why don't we start from the left side? T time period of oscillation. So it will be simply T of right time period. So M will be 0 and L will also be 0. Right? Because anything raised to power 0 is equal to 1. So T multiplied by 1 is T only. Is equal to, we will leave K, we assume K to be a dimensionless constant. Okay. So what will be H? Yes, I'll be happy if Jasmine completes this equation in dimensions. What will dimensions of H? H is height.
Height.
What is the unit of height? Height is length. Height
Length.
is length. So how you will write length, beta? In dimension
M0.
L0. No.
M0.
M0, L, T0. Simply write as L also. Okay, again I'm making
Okay,
them
sir.
simply put these brackets here also. Here you can put this because this is the final. So L raised to power A. Then next density. Yes, Ajinder. M0. No, density is mass by
L minus 3.
mass by volume. M will come. L minus 3 whole raised to power B. What is the unit of G, Jasmine? Ishma?
LT minus 2.
Jasmine? G is acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration is meter per second square. Meter is length. L and T minus 2. Right? Raised to power C. Ishma, next step.
We'll add the powers.
No, last time I missed one step. This time we will first multiply these powers with the powers in the bracket. So it will be L raised to power A into M raised to power. Come on, multiply M with
Minus 3B.
no M raised to power B
B.
and L raised to power minus 3B.
Minus 3B.
So L raised to power
L raised to power C.
B raised to power
Minus 2C.
minus 2. This is equal to, yes, Jasmine, please complete. First write M raised to power
M raised to power
B,
B. 0.
not 0, B. This is B here, see, why 0? L raised to power, this is L, this is L,
A.
this is L. Add all the powers.
L.
A, A,
A plus minus 3B
B plus C
plus C
into T raised to power minus 2C.
minus 2C.
Now we will write equating dimensions. What are the dimensions? Dimensions are the powers, exponents on both sides of M, L, T respectively. So what we will get? First equation, Jasmine. Tell me all the equations.
0 is equals to B.
0 is equal to B. Beautiful.
0 is
Very good. Second equation.
0 is equals to A minus 3B plus C.
Shabash. A minus 3B plus C. Third equation. Arjinder, you say
1 is equal to minus 2C.
1 is equal to minus 2C. So from this directly I am getting C is equal to minus 1 by 2. And you see students, I am getting B is equal to 0. What does it mean? B is equal to 0. Can any student tell? That means time period of oscillation does not depend upon
Density.
density. Beautiful. And Ishma, we had discussed that day the time period of the pendulum also does not depend upon the mass. So it is same thing. It is a mass only which is creating density. Right, Bache? Okay, one second. Was there? So C is equal to minus 1 by 2. So then can anyone help me to find out others? Put the value of C.
A is equal to 1/2.
Oh, wow, you have done it. B is equal to 0. So put the value here. So I will get 0 is equal to A is equal to I don't know. A minus 3. What is B? B is 0. Good. What is C? C is minus 1 by 2. So I will get 0 is equal to A minus 1 by 2. So Jasmine, you are right. A is equal to 1. You can improve. You can really improve. A is equal to 1 by 2. Simply put the value. So I will get the formula will be, can anyone tell? So what is
T is equal to K into under root H by G.
A into, you see, there is, yeah, H raised to power A. A is 1 by 2. So H will be molded on the top. And G will be tired because C is minus 1 by 2. So this is H1 G. And the power is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 power actually means if I have x raised to power 1 by 2, that is actually under root of x. Remember that. If x raised to power 1 by 3, that is actually cube root of x. Cube root of x. Students, this was our lecture. I'll give you some homework also. I request you to subscribe our channel on CBSC, share with your friends. Just hang around for 1 second. I'll give you the homework for today also, 10 sums. Yes. So this is first video, students, right? And this is the second one. The second one, right? So wish you all the best. Have a nice time.